guys. Well, today in the studio we're going to be doing a little bit of, actually, do you fancy saying hello to Layla? Hello. Yeah, we're going to be doing a bit of Canadian smocking. Have we heard of this before? It's just going to provide us with a fabric manipulation technique, which is really good fun, and also it's going to help us with our chocolate project that we've been doing. So this is the last sample that I'm going to be doing. So first of all, guys, the picture that I'm going to be working from. So it's this drawing here, and it's kind of a ripple effect on the chocolate. So I am going to try to reproduce this idea. Got my little cup of tea here, and I've got everything set up. What we've got here is a grid that I did earlier, which is 1-inch squares all over my paper. So I've put black permanent marker on it, and then I have drawn it out with a water-soluble pen onto my fabric. So once you've got it all on your fabric, I've got my thread, so you can see it's very similar colour. Got my little scissors, threaded up my needle, oops, and put a knot at the opposite end. And I'm going to start sewing on this top left corner here. So I'm going to go, I've got my diagonals drawn on. Diagonal, tiny little dash in the fabric, and over to this bottom left corner, lift up my needle, and we're going to go through that a couple of times just to tighten it up. Layla. Wait. Hang on. She just wanted to go outside. Right. Back to it. So that's enough. Just maybe one more. Snip that off. Okay, and then you pop another another knot back into your needle. I just wrap it around the needle and push it to the bottom of my thread. Get a big chunky knot, and then back over here. Like so. We are literally going to go all the way down the piece. Okay, so that side's done. And next we're going to do this diagonal going all the way down to the bottom. cat. She has been so distracting throughout this video. That's the back, all done. I love the texture on the back as well. So that's the mat. Turn it over. Just got to get rid of the water-soluble pen, but look at that design. Wavy lines to make the smocking. Absolutely loving it. So there we have it, guys. I hope you liked this sample. I absolutely really enjoyed making this. It is quite repetitive, obviously, but the results are really successful, inspired by the chocolates over here, these little wavy sort of designs that I've got on the chocolates that I did several weeks ago. So if you want to see that video, hopefully if you're new to me, then it would be great if you enjoyed this. Well, if you enjoyed this video, then subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can see when I'm uploading. And also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope you have a good week in these weird times. It is, yeah, just quite ongoing, isn't it? The whole COVID-19. So, yeah, have a good week and I'll see you in the next video.